How to link a Facebook group to your Facebook page. Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to do exactly that. Without any further ado, let's just jump right in. First of all, open up your Facebook application and simply head over to your page. Now click on your page account and head over to its profile. And once you land on your profile page, if you click on this more option and then click on groups, as you can see, there are no groups to show on this page. So let's say if I want to add a group to this page, what I'm going to do here is go ahead and search for that particular group that I want to join or add to my page. So first thing you're going to have to do is search for the group that you want to add and then join it. If you have admin approval on the group, then once the admin has approved, you should be able to join the group. And once you have joined the group, you're going to have to give admin access to your page from this group. So let me just switch back to my account where I have admin access to the group. And I'm going to add admin access to the new Facebook page. So what I'm going to do here is head over to my group right here and then click on the members option. You can see all of the available members here. So click on people and it will show you all of the people here. You're going to have to click on this option and then click on invite as admin. Send the invitation and I'm going to go ahead and switch back to my page and accept that invitation. So right here on my page, I'm just going to go ahead and accept this invitation. This is the invitation to be admin of the group. Now click on accept. Once you have done that, as you can see, now I am the admin of the group as well. This page right here is also the admin. But before you give admin access to anyone, you have to make sure that admins can also change or remove admins or any other moderators from your group. So that is one thing that you need to keep in mind. Now, once you have the admin access, and now what we can do is simply go back to our profile here and then click on the more option and then head over to groups. It will show us that this group that we have just joined. So that's how you add a Facebook group to your Facebook page. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys and I'll catch you on the next one.